Life like this is what your life like. Try to live your life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like life. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Tingle with your life like. Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bite. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Screaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being Christ-like. Only ever seeing me, only when they needing me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BET, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it through your piece. Tell me with your life like, turning down a bright light. Riding with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just really trying to find a new way. I'm just really trying to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though. Like I'm on a text though, nothing else next though. Not a word, not a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna wrestle. Man, it's really life like everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. Man. I woke up, I said my prayers and everything, and I was feeling all good. I tried to give my dad some advice. He started spazzing on me. I started spazzing back. He said that ain't Christ-like. I said, ah!
Come on, say that with us. Father, I stretch my hands.
Stretch my hands to you.
Come on, LA, you know you need God. Come on, lift your hands to him.
Father, I stretch.
We're in need of his touch on today. Stretch my hands.
Stretch my hands to you.
I need some joy for the week. I need some peace for the week.
Father, I stretch.
Oh God, I've come to the end of the rope and I need you.
Stretch my hands to you. Father, I stretch.
Stretch my hand, I stretch my hand to you.
Stretch my hands to you.
I'm in need of a touch. I'm in need of a blessing.
Father, I stretch.
Lift your hands up to the Father.
Stretch my hands to you.
I need you, Lord.
Father, I stretch.
You're my help today, Father.
Stretch my hands to you.
You've been my peace. You've been my joy. I stretch my hand.
Father, I stretch.
I need your love on today, God. Hallelujah.
Stretch my hands to you. Father, I stretch. Stretch my hands to you.
Come on, LA, just lift them up. Lift them up.
Father, I stretch.
I stretch my hands. I stretch my life.
Stretch my hands to you.
I look to the hills from whence cometh my help.
Father, I stretch.
Knowing that all of my help, it comes from God. Hallelujah.
Stretch my hands to you.
Come on, look to your maker, LA. Look to your creator. Tell him I need you.
Father, I stretch.
You said that if we called you, that you would answer us.
Stretch my hands to you.
And you would show us great and mighty things which are to come. Hallelujah.
Father, I stretch.
Last time, everybody, stretch my hand.
Stretch my hands to you.
Come on, can we say that one more time? Hey, say it again. Father, come on.
Father, I stretch.
Stretch my hand.
Stretch
Here
my
we go.
hands to you.
Life like, tell me what your life like. What you gonna life like? Living in the movie, put your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the ground and I don't even like life. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Single life flight. Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a light light. Screaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like right. Only ever seeing me, only when they needing me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it through your piece, steady with your pipe. Turning down a bright light, I've been with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ like. I'm just really trying, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way, being on my best though, like I'm on a text though. Nothing else next though, not another word, not a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really wanna wrestle. Man, it's really life right, everything I'm like. Arguing with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ like.
Stretch my hands to you.
Say it again, Father.
Father, I stretch my hands to you.
Come on. Let me hear you sing it, LA. Come on. Come on, that's it. Come on, stretch my hands. Come on, he wants to hear you sing it today. Come on, sing it, LA. That's it, that's it. He said, make a joyful noise. Come on, lift them up to him. Everybody sing it all in the room. Father.
Father, I
Stretch my hands.
stretch my hands to you.
Our hand in his hands is a wonderful thing.
Father, I
He'll pick us up. He'll hold us up. Stretch.
stretch my hands to you.
Come on, one last time. Everybody say it. Father.
Father, I
Stretch my hands.
stretch my hands to you.
Use this gospel for protection. It's a hard road to heaven. We call on your blessings. In the Father, we put our faith. King of the kingdom, our demons are trembling. Holy angels defending. In the Father, we put our faith.
Could he not be the greatest? In my bed undercovers when undercovers had raided. My presence is happy belated. Fashionably late, I'm just glad that you made it. The best is yet to come, I'm just glad that you waited. They all say they real till it's time to appraise it. I seen them come and go, you only the latest. But who am I to judge? I'm crooked as Vegas.
Use this gospel for protection.
Dad.
It's a
Good
hard
morning.
road to heaven. We call on your blessings. In the Father, we put our faith. King of the kingdom, our demons are trembling. Holy angels defending. In the Father, we put our faith.
A lot of damaged souls, I done damaged those. And in my arrogance, took a camera pose. Caught with a trunk, a berry man of loads. They sing a different tune when the slammer close. From the concrete grew a rose. They give you rave talk, I give you faith talk. Blindfolded on this road, watch me faith walk. Just hold on to your brother when his faith lost.
Alrighty. Are you guys ready? Kigo, how you doing this morning, my brother?
Doing good, brother. Doing good. Started the week strong. We got a lot of momentum. Looking forward to it. How you doing?
No, good. Gold Sentinel, absolutely cracking gold yesterday. Kigo with the Project G members cracking gold as well. Just almost looked like a chiropractic session on gold. Just a lot of burbles and pops and cracks and
Sure. TPs are just being hit
All
far and wide across the country.
all of the good stuff, Chad. But hope you guys are doing well. If you don't know about yesterday, don't even stress about it. Don't let it bother you. We're actually starting a new campaign. #WOP, Keegs.
What does it really mean to follow God?
WOP.
As I stand here,
Yeah,
I'm reminded of the first time
WOP. What do you think?
being in snow,
What?
outside in the snow,
WOP.
in terms of the steps that they would take. And what I did was
I don't know.
in front of them, and I took
War
steps
on poverty.
instead of creating your own.
You know what?
Starting a war against poverty.
I'm gonna say we don't go with that.
Nah,
'Cause
I'm kidding,
they we
I'm
just
kidding.
sound like a scammer.
I'm kidding. Chad, no, but listen here. I'm just gonna have to. Okay, all of this will absolutely ruin our $2.
Yeah, so DK, I started off there as well, and that's I was like, this is a family channel. I can't be saying that.
Chad, okay, no, listen here. Let's get ready here. Chad, as always, we're gonna start off with the prayer. Kigo, I'm gonna ask you to drop us with a beautiful prayer there, kick us off. So everyone, if you can be so kind as to bow your heads, let's just quiet down for a minute here.
All right, Chad, let's get ready to pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for joining us here today. Thank you for bringing this amazing community of different people all together. I think that's what's special about it. We don't have to have similarities. We don't have to come from the same backgrounds. We don't have to be doing the same things. We come together with one cause to better ourselves, to better our families, to better our futures, but all in the name of your love. We all have that one similarity, and that will always be in loving you, our Father. We want to thank you today for these blessings. We want to thank you for the wonderful rain we have outside. There's a lot of people that have been praying for this, so it is finally, and we want to thank you for it. We always talk about it's that thing of we don't need to chase things, we don't need to ask, and we don't need to beg and plead. But when the time is right, we always know you will come through for us, you will provide for us, and you will be there for us. So Lord, as we take on this another day, a new week, a new opportunity to do better and be better, we pray that you be here with us, guide us, have the Holy Spirit speak through us, and let us just be closer to the image that you want us to be. Lord, we pray this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen. No. Brian already has an ego. You can't just somebody delete that comment. Just want to say thanks to that legend. Seems like no. Mods, just delete that. The guy is already not humble. Now you want to say he's a lacquer guy and a legend. We can't have that.
It's a
All
good
right.
thing you said. I was gonna say.
Nah.
It's a good thing you said it before you was yeah.
Yeah, now we can't delete it. Nah, he's gonna send me a message later saying, "You see the chat? I told you I'm a legend." And a lacquer. I was joking. Rooks really went underneath it. No, man, Rooks. Is there no way for me to reinstate that?
I don't know if you can, eh?
No, but appreciate Brian for joining us yesterday. I think it was a good session. A lot of insight was shared. If you missed that one, I know Kigo is planning one as well. I think it was a decent turnout. We had 200. It was a test run, guys, so I didn't really market it too hard. We had 250 registrations, 150 pitched. I'm happy with it. Even if 5 guys pitched, I would have done it anyway. Because again, it's not always about the numbers. It's about the impact. Even if you can impact one person's life with what you say, what you do, that is still a win. Okay, sometimes we get lost in the numbers and we forget the individuals. Okay, every individual carries a story. Every individual has a certain gift, a certain value, And if you start to overlook that and you just start looking at numbers, then you get lost in the source. Okay. Then you only get the source and not the wash. Okay.
With regards to if it was recorded and if there was any access to it, if you were one of the people that registered, you will be getting the recording.
Yeah, if you're registered, you will actually be getting the recording today. You'll be getting the slides. So just check your emails. I actually think it looks really, really good. Let me see if I can show you guys quickly. Keegs, give me...
I'm going to show them the whole thing.
No, I'm just going to show them what
That's
the
the
mail...
one thing. We just got to work with Chris and his sales, yeah. We kind of need to funnel things, and then this man just gives away everything the whole time.
Hey, we have to, Keegs. We have to. Those seeds.
I know it's the seeds, but
The
you're stuffing up our
seeds.
funnels every single time.
Those seeds. I just want to show them what it looks like. I think it looks pretty dope. Let me just log in here, guys. You're not missing anything. We're looking for gold shorts this morning. So,
Yeah, it really was an awesome session. Appreciate you guys taking the time to answer specifics as well.
give me 1 second here, ladies and gents.
Dangling a carrot, Gravo. Yeah, we just need to emphasize the dangling part and not feeding.
Dangling carrots.
Yeah, Gravo just feeds, yeah.
Okay, what is this? We are starting to get this marketing thing down. I just need to first find... Alright, I don't know if you... Oh, no. No. Let me do this. Okay, let's see if I can paste it here on my screen. Oh, I can. This is what the email is going to look like. Okay. So there's the email, webinar revolt. There we go. Okay, I didn't see there was some stuff on that screen there. Okay, Chad, let's get straight into it. What do we have on deck today? We've got a few Fed speakers, nothing much. We've got a housing price index, consumer confidence. Okay, so relatively straightforward. Dollar for me on the day is still relatively neutral to bullish. We've got a confirmed resistance on top there. Reason I say it's confirmed is because we had a rejection there. So even though there's no two bearish daily candles, there's still a rejection area for me. And after taking yesterday's low, actually two prior daily lows and closing bullish, that's a relatively strong sign. And if you look at where the previous daily high was, okay. I'm going to be bullish while we hold above previous daily high. Okay, that area right there is the make or break for me. If we can hold above bullish, if we start trading back below bearish. Okay, gold looking relatively solid. Still bullish for me. However, we do still have that open gap there. I am expecting some type of pullback. We also haven't retested that breakout zone. So now what I'm looking for this morning is, you can see here we gapped up, we reversed, we failed to hold above the previous daily high, and we had a very strong move down. Okay, yesterday we spoke about it in the strategy course as well, identifying primary market structure and then secondary market structure. Okay, so from those highs we had a very strong impulse leg down. We've got our 200 EMA there. We've got our VWAP there. We've got our 50 EMA there. We've got our EQ here. All right. Now, all I want to see, our play for today is very, very simple. Okay. I'm literally just waiting for a break below that Asia low there. And I'm expecting volume to come in and for us to potentially trade all the way down here. All right. That's the idea here. Very, very simple. Can we get something before then? We can absolutely get something before Asia lows, but that is going to be my main play. That's going to be the volume play. If we want to take something now, all right, or not now, closer to the open, is that we will need to see a break here. Okay. We're going to need to see some type of break below here. But by that time, we're already going to be trading relatively close to our Asia low play. But here's the idea. If we can get some type of break of structure lower, okay, strong impulse leg, pull back potentially into that point of control, and then the continuation lower. Okay, but first prize for me today, all I'm waiting for, same thing we did yesterday, was that was the trade yesterday. So we are just trading the inverse here. That was our trade yesterday on Project G. Okay, was it 10? There we go. And that run on 1 to 2, yeah. That was the trade. So now we're literally looking for the opposite here. Okay. Can we still go bullish? Absolutely. This is gold. Gold will do what it wants. But we need to first see some bullish order flow from these lows. So this for me, this wedge, is basically a consolidation hold. And I want to see what we do a little bit later. Another thing last night, I don't know if you guys saw this, but we've spoken about this multiple times. I don't know what we call this, cup and handle. No, I'm joking. No, this is I think a ascending wedge. Actually, we were in buys with Gold Sentinel. Average price was more or less here. Okay. TP was all the way up there. So I'm sitting there last night and I'm looking at this. And I've talked about this multiple times. If something like this is starting to create higher lows and equal highs, what's going to happen? You're going to get that pop. Okay, so I was watching it in real time and I was like, my goodness, can it be? And there it played out. So just something to take note of. You would have seen that pattern multiple times when we spoke about it. Yesterday, US 30. US 30 as well, we spoke about that range. We said we need some type of breakout out of that range. We got that breakout. Now trading in a potential demand area. So are we going to get some type of pullback? I would assume we would, but we are solidly bearish. So for me personally, what I want to see is I want to see some type of pullback structure, maybe even to that EQ, ideally. But for now, there's nothing for me. This is just very overlapping, consolidative. Primary structure is down. I'm not going to bore you guys here, but there's nothing here for me. The trend is bearish, but we are trading very close to the low of the week. We are holding that level there, so I'm going to need to see price develop a little bit more. NASDAQ, relatively the same thing if you look on the daily. Yesterday closing quite strong bearish, but we are still holding this demand area down here, and if we can start to break down that support level, what will happen is we'll trade back to these lows and then eventually that 200 EMA. So bearish as well for me on NAS. And NAS, what I'm looking at is very, very simple here for me. It's quite a big zone. I'm going to wait and see if our point of control can shift, but we've got this area here. And bullish if we hold above for that pullback, same as with US 30. But as soon as we start breaking down here, I think that's going to be the start of the move back to this demand area. So relatively ugly price action. I think gold is clean if we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. But Chad, that is the rapid fire analysis.
Beautiful stuff there.
I'm going to give over to Kigo to bedazzle us further.
Alright, ladies and gents, let's get into it. Okay, what can we see over here? So let's start off with the dollar. I think the main event you guys have all been wanting to look at the whole time. Now, all I'm going to say, if you're in Project G, are we good or are we good? We know what we were looking for there. And the same thing yesterday. I'm not going to go in circles with it, but we did explain where we wanted to see this happen and what the dollar's doing now. Alright. So we all know where we will want to be going. Alright. We're going to draw a little picture there for you guys. But you guys should know at this point, so think of the same thing with the pivots, which we have preached over and over again. If this is just a higher time frame, if the monthly pivot's going to hold, we are going to be going to the monthly. Where is our monthly R1? R1 over there. Now, I'm not saying that's the case for today, tomorrow, but that's the idea. So if we are going bullish, we want to start breaking it down. Same with anything. If you want to set a goal for yourself, start breaking it down to objectives and start ticking off those objectives first. Now, what can we see? That's the first area for us now. Daily R1. You guys know daily R1 is going to hold daily R2. You guys look at psychological levels. We have the 9800 level, which is what we want to line up for. So at the end of the week, that is the first step of where we want to be going to at least. So as we start moving now, dollar restarting to hold back, having that low of the week. Our weekly candles bottom wick has been set, and now we start to trade bullish. So we want to start seeing what happens over here. Does it hold momentum, and that can it continue? So as we can see, one thing I want you guys to take note of is a look at how we stair step to the downside. We explode up, explode up, explode up. Alright. So we can all take note that we can see where the volume is coming from at this point in time. There has been a shift here. So we are definitely seeing the buyers are definitely trying to take control here. Alright. So going over to gold. Now if that is the case, what do you think that means for gold? Now, two things. I am still clearly bullish on gold. Now, if you look at it like that, we're obviously going to be bullish. But the complete opposite, if you look at on the weekly, we have no bottom wick. Now, if we just go and do this quickly, if we go look at a weekly time frame, can you tell me where we don't have any bottom wick at all? There's still a little one. There's one instance we don't have one. There's a little one, another instance there. So it is very rare that we get it. So that's what I'm saying to you. It's not impossible, but we always talk about you can just go and look for these patterns on the chart. So as we're standing right now, we're not having a trending, like just exploding type of week here. There's a good chance we can come down and make that bottom wick. And when we look at where that bottom wick is, it also means there's a gap open here for us. So if we come in and make a bottom wick, we can just close that gap and then we can trade bullish again. Alright, so that's why very clearly for myself here, I do have an alert at Asia lows, because you want to see if we start taking Asia lows, we can have the idea of volume coming in and that quick run to the downside, closing a gap, and there from where we can stair step our way back up before the buyers can come back into control. Alright, we can agree on that. So that's something I want to be looking for as an idea for that sell. If we're going to buy, now I'm not against the buys, but if we want to buy, very simply, I'm going to be looking for a few things. I want this to go firstly above the 200, so we can see that coming into play. And I ideally would like to be taking it above this daily R1, daily pivot and weekly R1, because there we have a little bit of clear open side. So we can go there, trade bullish, and then Asia highs all the way up there. So you have quite a bit of a nice move. You can catch almost a $50 move there, and then move to the top side. Alright. So seeing that run, and then you can start taking it from once you take Asia highs, daily R1 to daily R2, and so forth, which then also gets us back into the 5300 area. So going to be quite interesting with gold today. I think the exact thing as we saw yesterday. We know what we want. We're going to be patient with it. So just wait for the trade. The trade will present itself to you. We're not going to force anything. And then with regards to NAS, NAS did work out perfectly yesterday for us. Unfortunately, we didn't take it, because we had it literally present itself at the same time we took a gold trade with Project G members. So luckily both trades would have hit TP. So whether we took gold or whether we took NAS, we would have hit TP. But as you guys know, I don't like running multiple trades on different instruments at the same time. So we chose gold. Now, with regards to NAS, still quite a bit choppy, but I do also have my outlook for this. Again, Project G guys will know a bit more in depth exactly what we want here and what we're going to be looking for. But when you start looking at it weekly, this is why it's important for you. We always talk about that top-down analysis. You should start to get a little bit of an idea here what we're going to be looking for, and it's the same idea that we preach on a lower time frame, go into a higher time frame. The one thing I am going to give you, that if we are going to see a big move here, and that is to the downside, all we're going to say, and something we always preach on the lower time frame, is that this is our move. This one bullish candle, all this was technically a pause candle, and we are still going to continue to the downside. Now that all is only really going to come in when we start taking out the lows, but it's the idea. Remember, the whole thing about trading is you're building confluencies into your strategy. So that's what we are doing at this point, which helps us build up a bias and a theory that we are going to follow. So as we stand at this point in time, we can already see we've traded obviously coming down, tried to come back up yesterday on Monday. So the same with gold, or dollar, you've made that opposite wick side. So in this instance, making our top wick, nice aggressive move to the downside, and now we want to see what can we get over there. So trading underneath that monthly, underneath the weekly pivot as well, we now have our daily pivot and the EQ also coming into play. So in a very short way, very similar to a grabber. I must just check that is correct there. I think that's correct. But see if we can get this to play. It is holding the 200, holding the EQ. So right now, as I say, I do not touch this in London, but is already starting to set up quite nicely for us. So again, is looking quite good for that potential sell-off. But as for myself, I'm going to wait for a New York session, because as it stands, this can go both ways right now. You can completely break down Asia lows untested, and that can be the move we are looking for. But this also could be trying to pull back, hold support, and then pop off into New York session and go the other way. Where if you wait, New York, we see that happen, for example, we can react to it and have our bias at a neutral standpoint at that point in time if we haven't broke lower. But again, that's pretty much everything for me, guys. As I say, I know exactly what we want to look for here. And we're going to pretty much stick it out and wait for it. Let the trades come to us rather than trying to force something.
I saw that, Jakes. Kigo, thank you so much. Chronic, are you still here, my brother? Chronic.
Let's have a look here.
Chronica. Let me know quickly. Are you still here? I don't think Chronica is here. Chronis.
Wait.
Oh, that man.
Huh?
I don't know. Chronic, sorry man, quick one. If you click Gold Sentinel and you want to go back to Project G on the website, it doesn't go back. And the same if you go G Rewards. The other ones, no, testimonials don't work. Okay, it only goes back to Gold Sentinel. So it's not redirecting back on Gold Sentinel. Chad, but with that being said, markets are officially open and in motion for the round 3. Ding, ding, ding. Bro, what
is that? How the...
What do you mean, what is that?
How the hell did George get that, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Bobcats. 1, 2, 3. 3 Renegades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Tempest and 3 what?
Bro, what did he? Somebody must have. Alrighty, Chad.
Unless, like Slash said there, bro, if they've got the glitch in for weapons now. So you just have to find a one and you can glitch them.
Please don't tell me you can glitch the weapons now.
That would make sense, bro. So you kill one guy and he's got all of that on him. Man, God bless, bro. Hey, Nizam, what's up? For Gold Sentinel, does it work through XM or can you use it on any platform with MT5? No, only with XM. So XM linked with their MT5.
Bro, how did he do that? That is... Nah, man, that's cack, my bro. Is it his game, even?
What do you mean?
It is him. What the flip? How? All level 5s?
But that's what I'm saying, bro.
Nah, bro. You need to explain.
Like everything is a level 5, maxed out. Bro, I haven't even seen a streamer actually get a bag that amount.
Nah, bro. Look at that. That is absolute BS, my bro. Look at all the Venator.
Bro.
I'm thinking he's dropping in with somebody dropping him guns. I'm telling you now. Phone him, Keeks. Yes, bro. What is this?
No. That is... I'll phone him somewhere.
Are you gonna phone him?
No, I'm seeing Jackson.
Jake's phone him. Let me know, bro. No, phone him. That is disgusting, bro. That is filthy. What? Sisa. Nah, bro. I'm someone going home now. See what I can.
What lobbies are these, bro?
Those are disgusting lobbies.
Yeah. And yeah, bro, Oaks are wrecking me for my level 2 Altaro.
Yes, we got wrecked last night, man, Steve. Not actually wrecked. We killed like 4 teams, and then right at the end. The first South African guy I meet in this game, and he's giving me the whole infantry because of the expedition tomorrow. Oh, so he's gonna lose it anyway. Oh, thank you so much.
Bro, that is crazy.
I would like just one, like just a singular.
A singular.
A singular with 2
Boy,
eagles.
still on a diet here.
Yo, that man, someone gotta. So you lose all your shit with the expedition.
I think so.
Yo, so the guys are gonna grind again.
You might as well just do the expedition, bro. You already sold all your stuff.
Nah, I'm back to like 2.4 million now, and my lobby is full. I've got 4
Bro, that's such rubbish.
4 Tempests. I've got 4 Bobcats.
I'm
I've
at
got
like
2 Bettinas. I've got 6 Venators. I've got 2 Volcanoes. Is it Volcanoes? The auto maxed out kinetic converters. Level 3 grips.
I'm out. I haven't even hit max level yet, bro.
But that's a you problem. No, slash I still need 20 blueprints. Then I've got all of them. Still need 20.
You know what's crap? Is literally. Bro, Caitlin won't even give me shit because that actually shows you how much less I'm gaming than all of you gents.
No, that's what I'm saying. Your priorities are completely wrong.
How am I?
I'm 75. Keegan is still fighting demons.
I think I'm 67 or 68.
Alrighty, ladies and gents. We are now just patiently waiting for gold. Gold. Gold it shall be, ladies and gents. Yeah, guys, if you want to check out Gold Sentinel, you can go and check that link that I posted there. Kindly note, you have to use that code if you want to get $5 back per lot on Goldilocks. Alright. It's currently only a XM initiative. Alright. We don't want to start selling the bots because then we might retire at the end of the year. And then we might need to start posting stuff like join the winning team, yella, and we want to stay away from that. So we will take out $2 per lot, and you can have $5 per lot. So you actually become your own affiliate. And don't let anybody say, we are the only guys doing this in the industry. No, we are the only ones giving the biggest rebates in the industry. So don't lie. Don't lie with your $1 rebate for the clients. Not gonna mention names, but you are not the only one in the industry. Stop charging the people's money. I wonder where's the guys that's gonna ask, hey sir, buy or sell on gold?
I'll be here, bro. Don't worry.
I'm currently in a sell from 5,000. Do I hold? It's like, hey, my brother, I don't know why you sold at 5K. That must be a very strong account that you've got there. Viper, my brother, do me a favor. There is a comprehensive guide on the website. That is why we build these websites. For questions like that. How to get access to Gold Sentinel. I'm new to XM. I already have an XM account. And you click there, mobile, desktop, and it's going to tell you exactly. If you can't watch the video for some reason, it even gives you a narration here. Okay. It even, let me just close this a little bit.
And we're just gonna yell at the same time, just to.
I'm
make
gonna
sure you
yell,
hear.
yeah, because guys, come on. That is why you guys aren't profitable, because you don't read. Open XM code. You click it, copied, boom. There you go. Come on, guys, basics. I have to be real and raw with you guys. I'm not your father or your mother, but when you guys ask stuff like that,
Too easy.
why do we build these websites? Why do we provide all of this information?
Chris, how can we check if we're receiving the rebates? Christopher, very simple thing. When you signed up, you would have received an email saying that you are part of a rebate plan.
Yeah. You will get an email that says auto rebates have been activated on your account. Christopher, you can also do me a favor. You can email support at 2G's support.
At?
You can email support at 2gstrading.com and ask them to check whether you are receiving your auto rebates, and they will check for you. If not, okay, the safest way, Christopher, is to go and open up a new account using the partner code 2GS Gold.
Very simple. If you use the partner code, you will be on it. If you didn't use that code, you will not be on it.
Go, yeah. Don't go there. Where are we going, sir? We are going places. Alright.
Quick question on the Sentinel. Did it take a trade today?
No. No trade today on the Sentinel. But I think for the month, tomorrow's the last day. Then it's the first month of forward testing. It has done 12%, if I'm not mistaken. 12% risking 1%. Okay, so not shooting out the lights or anything, but 12% is decent. That is with 1% risk.
Put a profit account on that.
I'm currently in since the high. Should I hold? Hold on to what, my brother?
Are we holding longs or are we holding shorts?
No, he just said he's in since the high. Should I hold? Hold on to what? Katle hote. What? Wait. Katle ole tele.
That's a tongue twister.
Kachle o.
But Chris is determined to get it.
Sure. Too tired for that. Kids went into Bogart the weekend. The service alone causes you to buy something one day.
Nah, they do look after you when you're there. But then again, when you think how much money you're spending, I'd be worried if they weren't.
Okay, gold. Guys, we know what we're waiting for. Okay. Did that other streamer pay back his guys yet?
Nope.
Still not.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, that is still absolutely crazy for me.
Watch me make $500,000 this month.
Hey
and I will
guys,
not give you back
we just killed NASDAQ. I still owe you guys money, but don't worry.
That is not your money.
Don't worry. Let me ask you. Yes, bro.
I'm gonna say he hasn't.
Let me ask the one brother.
Hi guys, morning G's and the chat. What's up? Jexy, we can't ask that brother. He won't give us the true answer.
What's that?
It's a guy in the closet room and has it.
No, man. Come on.
Chris is a mullock.
Come on. The O's must pay back the money.
How
Yeah, here's my thing. Keith.
Wait, how is the $1 million challenge coming
Listen,
along? Wait, what $1 million challenge?
No, we failed it, bro. We plebs. But listen here, Keegs. You want to cuck on prop firms for not paying you, but you're not paying the people you borrowed money from to So what are we saying now, bro? That is the irony of it. Hey, these prop firms, they must pay me, but I'm not paying back the guys that bought the prop firm challenges. Aye.
I said the tracksuit is 12K, but it's on special for 7.9. That price is especially enough for me. On gold, is it fair to say that the previous resistance could act as a new support on the
Yes, it can. It can definitely, and I'm thinking you are referring to this area here. This resistance area, 100%. This could be a simple break and retest. Only thing is, remember what we talked about yesterday, is that you want to see massive volume come into the market from a demand level. So it's clearly showing me that buyers aren't really active here. Okay. And now we could argue, if we look at this, we could argue the following. You saw what I showed you here. Okay. I'm actually going to snip this. Let me give you guys something here, because you guys are paying a lot of your time.
Three bank accounts. Just don't ask about those. Pretend they're not there.
Joe, it came out that man had issues for the last 3 years, my bro. For the last 3 years, that he was milking that F&B issue. Okay, so you check what we had there. Okay, is there a way for me to rotate this? Keeks, your radar can rotate.
Do a little rotation there, bro.
How do I
Rotisserie
rotate?
chicken.
I can't rotate this, my bad.
I'll rate you can.
He's an awesome guy. Okay, I would have loved to rotated this, but you see that little push up there, and then we started building up. So I'm expecting something similar here. All right. So we might get another little dab. Okay, we might get another little dab, maybe even a last one there, and then the. Okay. Hi Chris, out of the closet for good. Nah, I'm still straight, my brother.
Bro, you know how funny that was
Okay.
actually? We were going to talk about that there. Do you remember the Hawk Tour girl?
I remember.
So remember, obviously the whole thing when she did her rug pull on all of her fans and stuff.
Yeah.
Now she's back, and can you guess what she's doing now?
She's a business consultant for an investment bank.
Close. Very, very close. She's doing a lot of banking with OnlyFans now.
Fabs, no, I think he did donate. No, did he? Yeah, he donated on stream.
Who's this?
Ninja Warrior, South African edition. That's the payback to money.
No, he didn't donate.
No, he donated on the channel. I think it was like 500 or something.
I was going to say, because...
And that was most probably someone else's money being donated. That's the sad part. But hopefully that guy that borrowed the money will receive a blessing. 10-fold, 100-fold. Yeah, I'm too tired today, guys. That's why I'm on a mission
Sure,
here.
Warrior. Chris is on one today.
No, it bothers me. Chad. It really bothers me. If it... yes, bro. Anyways, we'll see. Let me see. And here's the thing, Keeks. You can't talk cuck and say, nobody's reaching out to me, because you're ignoring them.
Hold on.
How can they reach out to you?
No, they do reach out. You just don't answer.
Now it's almost like that. You think you are a ostrich, and if you stick your head in the ground and you don't read the messages, it's like, I don't know any of this.
Quick one. Is Slash here on stream?
It's most probably top side.
Yeah, very, very good chance he's gone topside now. I just want to see if he's here. Because if he's here, without saying names, obviously, Slash, there was one of our brothers we spoke about who also gave money. Do you know if that brother was paid back yet?
Yeah, so you can't say, oh, no, I don't know of anyone, and not read the messages.
If I can ask an off-topic question, does your daily routine consist of when it comes to trading? Yo, I think Chris and myself are pretty similar. We wake up, we quickly check the 4-hour zones for our Project G members. We then send that. Then we get ready, get to the office. Chris does the morning prep call with the guys, where then he breaks down the charts quickly with them and what we're looking at for the day. I sit here, I do my own breakdown, mark out my key areas I want to look for my trades today, and pretty much that's the trading side. Then we literally chill till we get a trade, whether it's on stream, off stream. Then we prep obviously to trade only really again in New York session. We don't really trade in between the sessions. I think a lot of you think we do, but we really don't. We look at New York, and then once New York's done, we close our charts. So then we're done for the day. So
Thinking back now, bro. Enjoy yourself. And it's like people cry, I want my money. Where's my money? I'm not enjoying myself. Enjoy yourself. Bro. That is so cock, my bro.
how do you call yourself a person of God and say you're giving persons, but then give fuck all to those in need? The only thing he gave out was free maths to recruit more financial providers for himself.
And then the oaks are sitting there like crying, like, bro, you hit TP again. Where's my money, bro? He hit TP. He's flashing.
Luke Shaw, brother, we do stream New York before our members. For 2 years, we did New York for free. We do New York for free
3
once.
years.
For 3 years, we do New York for free once a week. So you'll see on the stream, on the channel, there's once in the week. We have 2 sessions, but that will be it. The rest of the time, New York, we stream with the Prodigy members.
God, I borrowed the money. Is like, no way this man got another payout and I'm still owed money. Enjoy yourself. No, I can't. I'm currently in debt. I borrowed you quite a bit of money. Where's my Bogart? I'm actually a large, but maybe I can fit into those mediums. Yeah, okay, but anyways, chat, let's wait for the trade, yeah. I'm just honestly, it just bothers me. I don't really care what he does or says or anything. For me, it's more about the victims. That is what is terrible for me. I pay that next month. I can join you guys in Project G. Laurentia, you don't have to join Project G. There's a lot of free resources on our channel. Okay. Don't ever feel that you have to join Project G. Okay, we trying to give as much information for free. A lot of these sessions, depending on how the questions go, we also share a lot of insights. Like Keegan said, basically for the last 3 years, there's so much value and insight that has been shared, not just by us, but some of the members. For instance, Brian, for instance, never met Brian personally, but became relatively close acquaintances and friends. And that's just the beauty of trading and this community and insights being shared. So yeah, there's really no need to join a membership like that. Obviously, if you want to go to that next level and you want to go a little bit more in depth, but even then, I would say first consume all of the content we've got here, and then if there's still holes in your arsenal, then you can jump in there.
Clinton, I don't know if Chris answered it. If you want the recording from yesterday's webinar, if you were registered, you will be getting it. If you weren't registered, unfortunately, you're not.
Yeah, Nazam, it's odd. I'm gonna be honest. We don't make when it comes to affiliate business and all of that. And for instance, like Project G, we don't make close to the money that some of these guys do.
Bro, sorry, also while we're there, I was actually just looking to see if Slash answered. So that other brother of ours is still waiting. He hasn't got his money yet.
Oh, that's cack. Here's the thing. We've said it so many times. There's all of these other big influencers make a lot more than us with affiliate deals and with retainers and whatnot. But yet they do like 1,000 Rand giveaways, 1,500 Rand. And I'm like, bro, really? You're making almost R1 million a month from your signals and this and that, and you're giving away 1.5, bro.
You know, sorry, bro. I wanted to say something because, like, where Fab was talking about the broker there. The one thing I will add, and I think Chris can agree with me on this, and something the one person said is that was the one part of FTMO which validated everything. Was the barcode? You scan it, it takes you to FTMO's platform, and it verifies the result. And that became a very, very like standard setting thing. That till today, the scammers still try to steal other people's things, but you can't replace the barcode. And then people scan it and they see it's not them. But it's almost like how many people have always said you could go trade and pass any other prop firm, but until you've passed an FTMO account, you've got nothing to stand on. And all I'm going to say is, because that brother will tell you he's never done one, ask him to sign in. Doesn't have to, just sign in, because you're going to see there's accounts there, and see after how many accounts he's tried there if he ever passed a FTMO account.
Chris makes $2 a day and still gives it away. Brian, small seeds, my brother. That $2 can turn into $2 million a day. And then I want to pull a Steve will do it.
Generational debt.
I'm going to give away stuff. I'm going to give away a lot of stuff. That one friend asked me the weekend, is like, hey bro, we should go cycling again sometime.
I don't have a bike.
I'm like, no, I can't. He's like, did you sell your bicycles? I'm like, no, I actually gave them away. He's like, what do you mean you? I'm like, hey man, long story, but let's grab a coffee. My wife asked me the other night as well. She's like, ja, waar's jou fiets? Dan kan jy saam met Daniel ry. Ek soos, fiets? Never heard of a fiets. I've never seen a bicycle here. Ja, Steve. But someday those seats, or even if they don't, man, it is what it is.
You know what would be a full circle moment? Is you come back and let's say maybe it can be another 2 years down the line and someone's going to give you that bike back, bro.
No, it shouldn't give me the bike back.
They're going to be
bro.
like,
They
Chris,
should.
you did a good job. You gave it to people in need. But we know here it's back on your journey now.
Nah, kak
You
man,
can-
bro. They must not give it back to me.
Yeah, damn it. 40k profit or 1 point move. Something was fishy. I even split jokes about. I passed FTMO twice or thrice, I think. They have those keys now. I feel like I actually know how to trade.
Tariq Fakir.
Bro, it's a proper. You can't do funny things there. With
How do we pronounce that surname? Tariq Fakir or Tariq Fakir?
Fakir.
Fakir.
I don't know. Bro.
Or was it Tariq
Wait.
Fakir?
Yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yesterday
No, I'm gonna
or
stop.
Sunday,
Sorry, my
Sunday
brother,
night?
for butchering that.
Bro,
surname.
I'm gonna send you the video. Someone must have clipped it. Does Peanut not get ratted out by these Arabic guys?
They play flute music.
No. They're just like playing with him. They're taunting him. And they're like, okay, cool. No. We'll revive you if you can say 5 words in Arabic.
Aye.
Bro, Peanut butchered that so bad.
Listen, yeah, but last night,
Hey, Nazam. Talking about giving.
Hey,
let's give-
donos.
yeah, there we go.
beautiful, my brother.
Brian, same.
Here's the thing, me and Steve, last night, we didn't get any loot. Like, we killed a lot of guys, and just before we go to the hatch, I'm like, Steve, we can't leave with anything. Like, let's camp here, close to that buried city, the train station, hatch. We shoot a few shots, I pop one rated flare, shoot again, I pop another rated flare. I'm like, and now we wait. Bro, it's like cockroaches. The first team runs over the hill. We blast them. Bah. Real flares go off. We heal up. Second team comes. Zah. Third team comes. After that, I'm like, Steve, now we've got loot. Let's get out. What do you think about trades by Sai? I don't really know him, my brother. I don't know him. I don't know what to think about him. All I know
Listen, Keys
is...
says, let's do a running event and rep 2Gs. Chris is down for it, bro. Chris loves running clubs.
Nah. Keek sounds Muslim the way he pronounced. Keeks really pronounced that name, Tariq Fakir.
Wait, you said that?
Just pronounce it. Don't say
Tariq Fakir.
Tariq Fakir.
Yeah. I'm saying it's Fakir.
I'm saying it's Fakir.
Fakir.
Tariq Fakir. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to stick with that. Up until Tariq Fakir sends me a voice note on Instagram.
Going off of past, I'm going to say it's Tariq.
Yeah, I don't know. Some guys, I've seen stuff on exposing him and saying it's demo, and I don't know, bro. It's honestly for me. Have you helped traders? Have you given value, irrespective of what you make? If you provide value, if there's some insights you can share, if then I don't really care what you make. Or there's obviously an issue that stems from if you are portraying something that's not real and using it as marketing. So if I come out and I'm like, yo, 200,000 rand smashed, absolutely crushed the markets, and it's a demo account, like,
But then can I still borrow 20k?
hey man, that for me is wrong. That's why we've never posted money or any of that. Like we don't ever want that to become a thing that you get attached to.
But also, we've always said, end of the day, we don't want to attract a guy because they're going, oh, Keegan and Chris make a lot of money. No, it should be a simple thing of, I can see these guys are doing something. They show the skill, they show the breakdown, they're educated, they clearly know what they're doing. I want to learn from them. We're not trying to flash lifestyle. We're not trying to flash money in your face. We're showing you this is what we do day in, day out, and this is how we do it. Can't be humble like Keys and make bank. They can't go together, guys.
We just putting an honest day's worth of work in here for $2. It was always $4, but it's $2 now.
Yesterday's code is valid till the end of the week. Beds to be broke on paper. Hey, Austin.
Wait. Yes, Tariq. Fucker. Okay. Yes, Tariq. Let's hear it.
What's up, Chris? It's Tariq Fakir.
I had a
Tariq Fakir, ladies and gents. I do apologize, Tariq.
See, Chad, I was one of the brothers in Dubai.
Tariq.
Where's the giveaways? Yo, we can give you 50 Rand airtime. Apparently, that's wins over the guy's trust.
But Austin, I'm crying in the evenings in the shower. I'm 45% down. But how I'm boosting myself is that once we hit 44K, that's where I'm gonna, on Bitcoin. That's where I'm gonna quadruple the stack.
Man's going full in.
I'm gonna quadruple stack there.
Put it in the house on it, the BM.
Everything. Austin, I'm going all in. Yeah, my brother. Let me just see. Yeah, now all in. Keeks right there. Chad, I'm telling you guys now. Disclaimer. Me, not you. Right there. All in.
Okay, hold on. But Austin's our crypto guy, yeah. So I want a quick yes, no, like a summary version there. Austin, do you think Chris is gonna go broke or not?
No. I'm mentally too strong.
You joke, but that's literally what I've been prepping for, man. It's gonna live in a 3 years.
There we go. Austin. Yeah, full stacks, Chad. Big stacks. That is if we don't get a bounce first. Maybe trade up to this area here. But I do think this, for me, resets the cycle. That move there. Today, cycle has been reset. If you look at the previous cycle, more or less, it's usually around about 75% pullback. Okay. That resets. And if we get there, Chad. Nah, there I'm also taking bonds on properties, maxing out credit cards. Yeah, it's everything or nothing. Yeah.
Bro, also, did you see? Remember we spoke about Mayweather? You see already got his fight.
Yo, that man must be broke for him to.
He's fighting Pacquiao. Pac-Man.
400%.
25% in already. If we get in the 40s, I'll take loans. I don't care. Levels between 40 to 56.
Yeah, I've got a decent stack in as well. Bigger than what I would have liked. Yeah, I would say quite a bit bigger than what I would like, but Pac-Man is also old, guys. Old Pac is old, my bro. Nah, Floyd's gonna need to box up until he's like the age of Tyson, and he's got an exhibition against Tyson as well. Guys, we want to trade, eh? Please don't say like, these 2Gs, they don't trade. We are just waiting for our setup. Okay, we are literally just waiting for our setup. Imagine you're in a club and you hear this song, it's like,
It's pretty contradictory though. I don't know how I feel about that.
no, that's what I'm saying. You're like, oh damn, I'm committing sin and Oceans is playing. Ladies and gents, can I kindly ask you guys just to assist us with the algorithm? If you can be so kind as to hit that like button, I would appreciate it. If you can just hit that like button. Brian, you think it is gonna mimic yesterday? It could. It definitely could. If you think about it, usually after a move like this, it reverses. So even if you look at that, after that little bit of a blow off, reverse, so you could get something similar here. A little bit of a price reset, and then we go up. All right, because if you look at it this way, we've been relatively solid to the upside. Okay, can we pull something like this? I think we can. Julle kerk met daai sokkie gees, Keegan. Wat is hierdie, 'n sokkie of 'n kerk?
Please, can you clarify which like button? We are joking, alright?
The like button for YouTube, my brother. I would appreciate it. I would appreciate you. No Notion Bago. All right. I don't know. That card is locked, Brian. I'm the type of person that's very honest and open, Keegan. That's the type of person I am.
Well, what do you do now?
No, that line, that comeback line was, I'm the type of person that's open, transparent. It's like, nah, my bro. Anything, yeah, let me not say anything. Let me just keep. Notion Bago Thi Parsat. Are you from India, my kind brother? Yo, bro, we might need to wait for comics again like yesterday or the open, but let's see. Better coins. Gold. What, you got it right, bro. Mad impressed. Yeah, but are you from India, my brother? That's the real question. Let's quickly lock in here. Where are you from? With a name that size.
You got Chris intrigued now.
What is that? What is that name, my brother? Like they need to give you a special ID card because that name is too long. Like our cards are like say this size, and then your card is like long, my bro. Just for your name. That is a big name. That is one of the biggest names I've seen in my life.
Cheers, Ash.
And you actually need to thank your parents for that, because they really just single-handedly force teachers and people to sit down and be like, wait, say again, what's your name? No. Quickly write it down for me. Okay, I'm gonna quickly go home. ChatGPT, let's quickly break this down into a 1 week schedule. How to spell this name and pronounce it. Ash Trading 245, peace and love. Ash, thank you so much. Gotta go to work. Enjoy it, my bro. Be safe. I want to ask the Khaled guys. I played with the Khaled team on Dota, and when the Oaks, when we're done playing, then the guys are always like, "I wear safe Owens, safe." What do they mean by that? Then I also someone like, "I wear Owens safe." It's like, Chris, what are you doing? I'm like, okay, shit. I thought I'm part of the boys. Like, nah, bro, you already safe.
Oh, guys, you can't take this man anyway.
Safe Owen. Oh, it means goodbye.
But the one that just said cheers.
Nah, I like the banter, bro. I was like, I wear safe Owens. Listen to Krebo here. Calling safe Owens here. Safe.
My Nigerian friends say the same.
Bro, I have to say the Khaled guys are the most enjoyable to game with. The banter and stuff. I have to be honest.
It's the energy, bro. The energy.
Escort. I've heard of Escort, Vorsis and Poloni, but not Safe King. Away, Safe Owens. The dollar viable. Telling you to save it. You know what I love to do is when I still see like a group of colored guys, and then I go and greet them. I say, "Oh, where the Owens? Let's say the Owens. Let's say the guys." And then I laugh. Chris, when you're in Cape Town, you will hear all those. No, Zom. Well, in the rugby, we had a lot of. I played with a lot of colored guys, and hey man, it was a treat. It was a treat. I really enjoyed them. Nah, bro, Khaleds have the best banter, bro. Like, we think we've got banter. Yo. Those Khaled mates of mine, when they start digging into somebody and they start making... hey.
Wow, you're going to hear it the whole day then.
Yo, the Owens have some banter on them, my dude. You. And you know what? The colored guys are usually in the back line. And then when you're on tour, for some reason, they always want to chirp like the hooker or the props. It's like they love like. Then they tell the oaks like, "Hey man, narok oor die goed man. Come on, stop die jokes hier so." And they know those props and the hookers, they give reaction, and once they give that reaction, they finish them, bro. They finish them.
They're gonna char you the whole rest of the day.
Now, if a colored guy sees reaction out of you, my bro, he's gonna. No, then they go in. Then they somewhere. Charlotte, hoor wat sê die ou? I don't even want to. Then they get stuck into the boys. They will make grown men cry with the banter. Chris is an honorary color filler now. Black people say, but to me, I'm good. Unjani, safe. Yeah, I know Nazam. But Italian guys like Jakes, because he's not colored or black. He's like Moroccan Italian. He doesn't have jokes. That man is boring, bro. Like, if he tells the story, I'm like, bro, I'm somewhere going offline, yeah. Near safe Owens. I'm like, bro, you're not a color, bro. You're Moroccan / Italian. Like, you can't come with the safe Owens. Sounding like you just rolled out of the UK. Jake's want to be part of the guys. Like, nah, my bro. Check hierdie Italian ou wat dink hy is een van ons. Check. Jake, sorry man. I'm an idiot, but you know I love you, my bro. So you know it's all just banter here while we wait for price. So
No, Chris is on his level today. You just leave him. You just let him go.
yeah, just let me roll with it. Jakesy, man. Jake's on the day. Yes, the Jake's the Italian Moroccan. Bro, what a combo. That is the exotic mix. Whew, yo, gold, my bro. This is like watching paint dry.
Chilling ya, bro. They told me trading was exciting.
Bro, so we met a Moroccan chick in Dubai. And I just had to go up to her and ask her, is that a BBL? Like, really? No, I literally, she works there. She works for XM. And I said, listen, I hope this doesn't offend you, but I have to ask the question because this is not normal. Like, did you get a BBL? And she was like, no, don't worry, I'm not offended. I get that question all the time. No, I just lift heavy in the gym. I'm like, okay, thank you. I'm like, this would have bothered me if I didn't ask the question. I really appreciate it. Have a good day, okay? And I walked away. I am long on gold. Okay, G-Man. G-Man, I do think, okay, where we currently at, it is at a point where it can go either way. that is also your point of control. So the majority of the volume has been trading here. So for me personally, I'm thinking it's a little bit of a coin flip, if I'm honest. I'm gonna say it the way it is. From these highs, you can see that the highs are getting lower, but also you can argue that these lows are getting higher. Okay, so we are compressing for a breakout, and you almost preempting that breakout. So just be ready to be wrong, but also you could be very right. No entry currently, my brother. That's what I explained now. It is still in a range. Okay. I'm preferring the downside. I'm just saying it. I'm not saying the buys can't happen, but we're below the 50, we're below the 200, we're below VWAP, we're below the EQ. No, I think G-Man is in Prodigy. I would never go against my G members. No, I'm with the G's. I would love for his buys to work out. Because I'm neutral. I'm not in any position here. So whether it goes up or down now does not affect me. I'm waiting for direction. I'm waiting for things to print, things to happen. Yeah, guys, 18th to the 20th, I'll be in Cape Town with the Owens. Horsey Owens. Udala and Sonic Cup. Many guys. I'm going to meet with Andy for 2 days. Yeah, man, I honestly...
You want to go visit the gangs?
Bro, I honestly hope we don't go dollar there to the gangs, but I don't know, Chad.
Just don't take pizza, please.
I don't know. No, never.
Take them a freaking burger or something, bro. Don't.
So maybe I'm there with the guys then, Manon. Hashtag blessed, yeah, and Manon. No, I don't know. Maybe I don't know with Andy. Andy is Chad. He's a different human being to us. So I'm gonna spend 2 days there with Andy. I think there is some free time. Me and Andy maybe gonna take up half a day. Definitely gonna try and reach Amina and Nazam. But I'll try and meet up with you guys. Two G's meet and greet in Manenberg at the Americans HQ. See you guys there. I wonder why nobody pitched.
It doesn't make it that far.
And we brought non-halal pizzas to the Muslim gangsters.
I swear, bro, you're gonna walk in there again and they're gonna be like, "Aye,
This guy again. Where's the pizza? Nah, man, Brian, don't start that, bro. Andy, yo. Woo! I forgot that, man. It's gonna be like Chris. Before we go for lunch, I just quickly need to go pick up something. Andy, why are we? No, man, Brian, stop that madness. Let me put it this way. You can't message if you haven't been there yourself. If you've been there yourself, then you can message. Hi, my name is Kevin. Hey, Kev. How are you, my brother? Okay, now then you can message Brian. Nah, the weather's looking up, my brother. Weather's
I actually
looking
saw
up.
Andy at the petrol station the other day, but never knew it was him driving the van.
KZ, better known as Kevin Zulberg. He was also a former Winter Olympian. He was actually, I think, 2-time national champion in the bobsled single. How's Bloom? Nah, Bloom's lekker, especially during the winter. That's when the roses start to bloom. If you are allergic like me and you've got some hay fever issues, don't smell the roses. Just get some Allergex before you go. But other than that, beautiful. Beautiful. Definitely more a winter town than anything else.
When last were you in Bloom?
I think it was our honeymoon. Yeah. Bloem is sopnat. Hey, my maat. Bloem drip, my friend. I don't drip. You trade on CFD. I trade on CFD, Kevin. I trade on a CFD, correct. Correcto. Nice bounce there on US 30. Registration for Vault Fund and March competition is now open, ladies and gents. You've seen it here first. If you want to get a little bit of a taste of how the platform works, go and register there. Also, your efforts will be rewarded. The top 5 get prizes up to the value of 50,000 Madiba runs. I actually don't think it's 50, but that just sounded a lot better. I retract that statement, Keeks. Just remove it from the record. Bro, I can't. It's goal, my dude. We should actually be putting like alerts and then doing other work.
That is what I've done.
Okay, you talk. Okay, you entertain the guys a little bit. Let me see what you've got in your arsenal. I'm talking to myself here, bro.
Bro, you literally just answered yourself.
No, Keeks. Give us.
We are grinding out here, and my brother's like, nah, I'm just gonna talk crap while
What
we're
are you
busy.
grinding
Yeah.
there?
Bro, literally, I've done 4 social media pieces for today.
But where are you funneling those people?
I try to funnel them when you're not breaking our funnels.
Where I don't see funnels. Where's the funnel?
Look at this man here, Chad.
No, I'm honestly asking. How did you funnel?
First our social media platforms, which then go through to the different groups, and
Are you
then the
talking
groups are
about the
going
2G
through.
social media?
No, not 2Gs. Bro, we barely post on there.
No, but didn't you say you have a plan to like? Let's see what you're posting.
Chris trying to have a 3-hour stream with no price action. Yeah, Fubs, my boy's on missions, yeah. You see, he'll be like, yo, we're just going to throw away the $2, but at the same time, we're going to push as hard as we can to keep that $2. Bloem is top nut.
Bloemer's papnat met John.
What is the green box you drew there, bro?
Keys, I can't take you serious if you ask me questions like this. Did you just ask me what is that green box?
Yeah, bro.
Kigo.
You see, like, there's a whole bunch of candles.
That's London, I know.
And then there's a little green box.
It says London.
And now we're trying to distinguish where we're going.
London. Not Brian London, just London.
Okay.
Brian, you thought it's Brian.
I thought,
London.
yeah, I thought that was something special from your webinar yesterday. You and Brian made your own indicator. Just call it, boys, then gold will move. Blue line EMA which?
No, that's there's a 200 EMA and then there's a VWAP. A VWAP.
There you go.
I worship you. Waymaker, light in the darkness. To you.
Skeleton racing is one of the most dangerous.
Miracle worker, promise keeper. My God, good is to you. Keeks, you gotta entertain now, bro. I'm not entertained.
My bro, this session is dead.
Entertain me, my bro. What are we doing here?
Yes, man. You see, guys, he had like a. He's like how like your children. They have like a high, and there the batteries run flat now. So now he's in recharge mode. So he's busy recharging, and then you're gonna see he's gonna come back here again. Watch. That's why he doesn't end the stream, because he's like, I'm just give me a second.
Just refreshing.
I'm just refreshing. He's gonna be back.
Okay. You're not wrong.
I told you guys. It's like having a little power nap. Markets be slave today, yeah.
Chat, I'll be back. Just gonna go pee quick. Keegan was like, oh, nice little.
Stop loss here, bro.
Keegs is. No, I'm not gonna poo, bro. Don't worry. Keegan was like, oh, nice short stream. Good news for you, my brother.
Chad, trust me, that's why I don't even fight it. I know this man's like.
I've got news for you. We're going in, Keegs.
We could be in a 20 pip range the whole day, and Chris is gonna be like, we're gonna sit here.
Keegs, we're going in, my G. I'm not leaving up until we take a trade yet.
Keegs, when you come into JM Arc again, whenever I get off the stream, bro,
Nah. I'm keeping you there.
I will be when the stream finishes. Might be in 5 years, might be 4 years. We never know, bro. Could be tomorrow. Keys, I've sent Andy a message. You were asleep in Cape Town. Team on mobile MT5 yeah, but some people, guys, crazy stuff. Just until New York. Good morning. Can I learn here? Yes, you can. Unfortunately, not much happening today, so I can't really show you much. But you definitely can learn, yeah. Bro, that is the first time, I don't know why, I went to this guy's channel now. And there's a game where you can fight as dragons. Okay. That really is like the first time I've seen that. Really did not know that was even a thing. You learn something new every day. Keegs, Ark the only game you play now? Basically, yeah, it is actually. But I'm looking for something new to do though. Like, there's been the debate of me on getting Call of Duty, just because, I don't know, it's always just a staple. You always go back to it. I do miss like shooters. So like the guys were saying we were gonna look at Battlefield again, but it's dead. So.
You thought we were done, my G.
We might do something else, but other than that, yeah, Ark is pretty much it. Every now and again, I'll go back to like FIFA or UFC, like my sports sides. But that is pretty much it, eh?
Thought we were done.
Told you guys, you see, he's recharged here now.
Feel refreshed and renewed. What is that Bible verse that says? Wait, let me find it.
Which verses are you gonna hit us with
Let
now?
me find that verse. If you, Chad, okay, serious now. If you are feeling down and you are feeling overwhelmed, drop a 1.
Are you gonna tell me I can do all things through
No. You can do all things, Keeks. You just gotta believe it. Faith like a mustard seed, my G.
There we go.
Let me find it. If you are worried or stressed, wait. Please don't tell me I didn't. Oh, here we go, Keeks. Wait, let's get ready for a chat. Okay, anyone that needs some upliftment. Okay, you guys ready? Just check how's the volume here. All right, here we go.
Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. But they who wait for the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Son, let's go. I feel
I thought you were looking for a Bible verse.
That is a verse. That's out of the Bible.
No, but I mean like a literal
It's a video verse. Something new we're developing on the Bible app.
Right.
Wait, what is that verse?
Let's have a look here, bro. What is my Bible verse for today?
They that trust the Lord will not grow weary. Let me see, what verse is this? It seems it's Isaiah 40 verse 31. Yeah, Keeks. Those who wait on or hope in the Lord will renew their strength, soar like eagles, run without weariness, and walk without fainting. This sounds like some type of NIV. Yeah, no. Chad, stay away from the NIV,
There
eh?
you go, bro.
NK.
Bible verse for today is Psalms 46 verse 1.
Hit us with it, Kigo.
God is our refuge and strength, a very present help
Let's
in
go.
our troubles.
Let's go, Chad. There you go. What is that verse?
Psalms 46 verse 1.
Alright, we're going to hit you your New King James Version. But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall... Okay, it's relatively the same, but NIV, I don't trust it. And it's either King James or New King James. Let me not even get into that topic of Bible translations. Keeks, I'm really putting a shift
When
here
you
with
guys
the
go
guys.
active and for how long? It's a tough one, bro. Myself, I'd say we went active probably about an hour, 2 hours ago, nearly at this point. Chris, I'd probably say went active about 6 years ago, 7 years ago.
What is active? What do you mean gone active?
My boy is being active.
Sexually? what are we talking about here?
But no, we normally online for about 2 hours, and then that's about it. I made laughs.
No, so it's the reason why I say a lot of those translations have actually redacted some of the stuff the NKJV says. The Bible is very clear that it says do not add or take from this word. Okay, that's the first issue. The second issue is some of it, the way that they put it across is basically changing the meaning. So you got
only do that if you've got man of God syndrome.
no, man, Keys. What? Chad, where is this guy? Just go onto the prayer wall, pray for this man immediately. So if you go and study that, all I'm saying is New King James Version. Just Chad, let's just keep it. Let's just keep it there. I don't want to go into. I think I should actually.
Oh, don't think, bro.
I actually think
It's
I'm
dangerous.
gonna start a YouTube channel.
Chris
And
unhinged.
no. Like controversial biblical stuff, like where I can
Do
just.
we also
chat.
get to put a tinfoil hat on you?
No, bro. You guys know that I'm honestly psychologically quite advanced. Like I told you guys, my great grandfather was an Asian. So for me, even when I was in grade 1 with other grade 1s, it felt like I was in a zoo because I was genetically superior.
I feel like you're
And-
walking a very fine line.
And yeah, it was almost having a human being between animals because I was already like 5 years ahead. So they actually just wanted to put me straight into high school from grade 1, and then my mom said, no, but he's still small, like the world is a cruel place, let him yeah.
I
So
don't know if Chris was ever small in his life.
so the amount of brain power that I have is
Just going to
I'm a specimen,
dead
dude.
use here,
I'm
bro.
a absolute specimen. And so yeah, doing tinfoil stuff and yeah, let me not get even into Jy moet gekloon word, joh. Chad.
we're gonna see, guys. We're gonna put it to the test. We got Mini Market Bull on his way up.
This will be the longest stream of the week.
I just told you, this guy's on a mission, yeah. And you know that the best part, Fabs, is you finish the stream, he's gonna go pee, he's gonna come back and he's gonna go, alright guys, so let's see, what did you do today so far? Let's see. What have you guys done? What have you cooked up?
Keys, I never said we can't end it. I'm just chilling here. I'm just chilling here. Chad, I'm just chilling with you guys. Drop
Mini
some
Market Bull
questions.
gonna be a savage. I reckon, bro, he's gonna give you a run for your money.
You think so?
I reckon. Chris will say he has gang work to do, but has the longest stream going.
Nah, I worked. I work, my dude. You're gonna ask gigs from 7 o'clock when I sit here. I'm grafting, guys.
He is locked in.
So, and then straight after stream, I lock in again. I told you guys, I'm just the absolute specimen of a human being.
Chris, your son will be trading NFP at school with the boys soon. And then he's gonna get those boys' parents to start trading with us. As soon as he hits like 13 or 15, you're gonna have to sharpen the chips.
So your entry will be based off your time frame. So if you're trading the 15-minute, and let's say for instance you want to trade 15-minute reversals, then your time frame is going to be on the 15. If you want to trade it on the 1 minute, then you can trade it on the 1 minute. So your entry confirms will be on the time frame you trade, if that makes sense. 5 minutes for me is just a very well balanced time frame. It's not as noisy as a 1 minute, and it's not you're not gonna miss a big chunk of the move with like a 30-minute or an hour. It's just a very nice, well balanced candle. So I like the 5 minute. I like the 5 minute.
Bro,
Talk to me, Gigs.
I don't know. This
Talk
is
to me.
fake news. I don't
Get
think
it
it
off.
is.
Get it off your chest. What is going on, Gigs?
Most surprise thing of the year. Bonnie Blue is pregnant.
Is Bonnie Blue pregnant? Poor child, bro.
The gender reveal party needs to be held in a concert venue.
Aye, that poor child, my bro. Is it yours?
It's from Intraday, but I just want to use it to charge.
Oh, okay. Thoughts on scalping? Nothing wrong with scalping.
It's cap keys, what doctor?
We mentioned it yesterday. Whatever strategy you use, whatever entry confirms you use, as long as you can repeatably do it and repeatably exploit that pattern in the market, there's no right or wrong. Don't let people tell you, oh, that's the wrong way to trade, that's the right. The only way to trade is that we want to make money. End of the day, we want to come out on top, and however you do that is part of your trading journey.
Preach it, bro. Preach it.
How's it, dude? Bonnie Blue's not a slash. What doctor wears a shiesty? What is a shiesty, my bro? Bonnie Blue is 100% a man.
Guys, that's a Google there.
I honestly thought like she could be like a Casta Semenya type vibe. I'm not, even till today, I don't even know that entire thing with Casta Semenya. It's like she's a man, but she's not a. I'm like, bro, what are we talking here? Like, how is she a man? No, she's got everything except. I'm like, but I don't know what is everything.
Wasn't her whole story literally that she just has very high testosterone levels?
No, there's something. I don't know, bro. I love Casta Semenya.
Hey, am I not wrong? Wasn't Casta's whole thing
I
literally just that
don't
she
know,
had, her
man.
testosterone levels were too high?
It was something about that she's got male, bro. I don't know. Like I said, like I'm not gonna. If somebody can explain to us in simple terms what happened there.
Who's a doctor? Yeah.
Who's a doctor? Because usually, why I also love Casta Semenya is I've got a little chirp. Let's say you top the ball on the golf course, and it rolls quite a bit. I'll be like, bro, that's fine. That thing's gonna run like Casta Semenya. So that's also why.
Yes, sir. Yes, too much. I'm not a doctor, but I can operate.
Gee, man, I can see you a sharp young man. No,
Right, that
just
was
honest.
that was the Christmas present we got for Uncle Craig.
I'm not a doctor, but I can operate.
Nah, it's a cap. I'm not a gynecologist, but I can take a look.
I know you're not a microwave, but can I put it in for 2 minutes?
Hey, yeah.
I tried that on my wife, not impressed. I was like, just joking, man. She's like, sis. I'm like, sorry, man. Like, this not a joke. Flip it. Kan 'n man nie meer joke in hierdie huis nie. Wat gaan nie aan? Kan ek nie meer jokes maak nie?
If I remember correctly, she has a testicle. She has XXY chromosomes, so she's technically both male and female.
Ed,
External
Ed.
female.
explain that to me, bro. How can you have a V and you've got
That's
one
the
nut
dash.
hanging, bro? Explain that to me. That's why I'm asking. So, bro, that she's technically both male and female. Ed, come explain this to me, my brother. Come in here. You can't tell me that is what I'm talking about, Keeks. Okay,
Doesn't it?
she has a testicle. Opening statement. She has singular testicle. She has XXY chromosomes. I don't even know how the chromosomes work. She is technically both male and female. External female genitalia. But with the addition... Bro, talk to us. Talk to me here.
Okay, so normally, typically,
Yeah.
you either have XX chromosomes or XY.
Okay.
XX is for female, XY is for male.
So she got a double.
So unfortunately, one of the sperms or one of the eggs that met together had a little extra going on, so she has
Okay.
XXY.
Okay.
So that ends up coming out physically as she has both sets of genitalia. How that represents itself is different for every case.
When you said genitalia, are you talking like...
So from what I remember reading about it, this was years back, so I stand on the correction. Externally, she looks female.
So
But-
what, the ball's inside?
So the testicle is inside. And that's why she has such high testosterone, because she has the testicle
How do you mean the
producing.
testicle is inside?
So because of the XX, it didn't come out male features,
So...
but the body made one
So if you...
because of the Y
there's a
chromosome.
PP and a-
So not
Exactly.
so apparently, again, this was still when information was changing weekly, but from what I remember, it's like externally, if you look at her, she's female, which is why she was raised female.
Are you talking about externally?
If you look at her genitalia,
Okay,
externally
okay,
she
okay,
looks female,
okay.
so she was raised female,
Okay.
but with that testicle on the inside producing so much testosterone, it built all these secondary male
Is it a
characteristics.
single nut or is it a double nut?
From what I remember, again, I
It's a
stand on the
single nut.
correction, it's a single one.
Just one big nut.
I don't know what the size is.
Yes, a fair question from Viper. Can she get pregnant?
I can't remember if she has a uterus or not. I don't know. Again,
I think G47 said it best there. She's a transformer. There we
the
go.
only one allowed to be one.
One, bro. One nut to
Damn.
conquer. Bro, I still don't understand it. When you tell me you're male and female, and then you've got one nut, bro, like singular. Is Ed a nutcracker? How does Ed remember ATM?
Yeah.
You guys forget, I think Ed's got a master's in human movement science, so they've got a few. Can she make someone pregnant? Can she make some... Bro.
That's also true. Damn.
Bro, this is
so many questions, so little time.
Okay, Chad, I think we just wait for this next 4-hour candle close.
The next 4-hour candle close.
No, I'm kidding. Chad, no, listen here, it's Chop. I gave you guys the source. Okay, source is simple.
This one's only closing at 12.
No, I'm joking,
That means
guys.
the next
I gave you the
one's New York
source.
session.
If we get a closure like this, alright, bearish. Depending on how volatile we are when we get there, it's either going to be a 50 stop or 100. And that's going to be the trade. Okay. That's literally all I'm waiting for. So I hope you guys are paying attention. Set your alerts there, Keeks. Are you going to set some alerts for us? Must I
got my
set
alert
some?
ready, bro.
Okay, let me set an alert.
Don't worry, brother. Once it's a spun.
For our play. There we go. Okay. Chad, I do appreciate you guys. A little bit of banter. Sometimes good to just let the hair hang a bit.
Sure.
Hair hang. Keeks, any closing remarks, my brother?
Nah, good stream. I think we had to graph for that $2, which we're giving away anyway. But it was a shift. It was good being here. I hope we did not offend any transformers. And Chris didn't offend any colors also in the process.
Bro, I told you
I
my
think that was
grandfather's
pretty much
Asian.
it.
Dude, how can
But-
I offend the coloreds when my grandfather wasn't
Why
Asian?
you were going on about that?
Bro, my grandfather was Asian.
Oh. But Chad,
Nah,
I think
but-
that was it. From the trading side, again, exact same as yesterday. I think we just have to wait. We know exactly what we want. We just have to be patient and wait for it. But that's it, guys.
Was that it, Keeks?
That's it, my brother.
Chad, did you guys enjoy the stream? Did I offend you? Then I do want to really, really apologize that I offend you. Please talk to me. No, I'm serious, Keeks.
Nah, I don't think you offend anyone unless they got really, really, really soft skin.
Okay. Chad, did I offend anyone? Then I
If they
just
do have
wanna-
soft skin, give us your address. We'll send you some cement.
Please tell me. Now I'm honest, Chad. I really, really appreciate all of you guys. I don't want to offend anybody. Coming from a person of color, you are spot on, actually. Okay. I wear safe Owens. Safe. The guys. Nah, Chad, I love all of you guys. We're going to see you tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm not going to... We can maybe do Friday in New York. My social battery after yesterday is relatively chalked. And I really gave my all now. But you were nowhere, bro. I couldn't feed off any energy there. I was standing in the trenches here. I'm trying to build conversations with the guys. I'm reading Bible verses. We even started talking about Custis and Manias. One nut, bro. I need you.
The
I need
conversation
you,
went
bro.
everywhere,
I
bro.
need you locked in tomorrow. I need you locked in. Chad.
Chad, the same time he says this, you don't even understand how tired I've been. Literally yesterday I walked in and this man's like, bro,
Keegs,
it looks like you smoked something, how red your eyes are.
Keegs, I need you locked in. Chad, listen here. When I get a Lacus song here, I lose my song that I wanted to play. I might need to stream for a little bit more.
What song are you looking for now?
Did I lose it, bro? I legit lost it.
I will lock in, guys, don't you worry.
Oh, wait, I need to go back.
Raymond, best of luck with those gold bars, my brother. You got this.
Bro, I honestly lost the song that I wanted.
Just like that, Keegs is under the bus.
I need my boy locked in, yeah. Need my boy locked in. Wait.
Nah, no, guys. I don't smoke.
Let me see. Here's it. Chad, peace and love, baby. See you guys tomorrow.
Cheers, Chad.
Yeah, to all the ladies in the house, tell them. Another day in the ghetto. One look outside and I'm already upset, yo. It look about 102. It's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by a phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Hello, can I speak to Biggie? Yo, who this? Tanisha, your call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Washed up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old scene. Dope fiend, crack fiend, eyewitness news team. I seen the honey with the butt looking butter soft. I know she look much better with them clothes up off. Sitting all thick with the ruby red lipstick. That's the one I got to get with. Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause you got a big B-U-T-T, see? Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause you got a big B-U-T-T. She said if I get with you, I got to get with your whole hood rat crew. What you think I do? Sling skins for a living? But get around. You hitting this nigga, how that sound? First of all, you got me mixed up with somebody you done slept with. Hold up, that's my unitary shit. I got something slicker. Let me just sip up on this liquor. All I wanna do is smoke a little chronic, slam you like Onyx, and get you hooked on this Biggie Smalls phonics. 102, how to squeeze 22s in them Reebok shoes, huh? Can I get with ya? 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 Cause you got a big UTT. Can I get with ya? 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 Why you wanna get with me? Cause you got a big B-U-T-T. I said, walk me upstairs, cause I forgot my Phillies. She said, I don't care, this won't be acting silly. I knew I had a track with my hardcore rap, and it wouldn't take a second before I had her on the back, twiddling with the plus strap. Threw on my silk CD, cause I wanna get freaky with you. Lose control on the skins is all I can picture. Now I'm about to hit ya. Can I get with ya? Ow, can I get with ya? Why you wanna get with me? Cause I got to make you get. Hey, can I get with ya? Can I get with ya? Hey, can I get with ya?